I am Bilal Zaman and you are watching Cyber News, now adding news from SIALKOT.
A delegation from Allama Iqbal Memorial Teaching Hospital, AIMTH SIALKOT, led by Medical Superintendent Dr. Abdul Rahman Tariq Chaudhry, paid a courtesy visit to the Honorable Provincial Minister for Labour, Khwaja Muhammad Mansha Ullah today. The meeting was held in a cordial atmosphere and focused on matters relating the improvement of healthcare services and the ongoing development of the health sector in SIALKOT. During the meeting, Dr. Abdul Rahman Tariq Chaudhry congratulated Khwaja Muhammad Mansha Ullah on his continued commitment to public welfare and expressed gratitude for his valuable support towards strength healthcare infrastructure in the region. A floral banquet was presented to the Honorable Minister as a token of respect and appreciation. The discussion covered the progress of Allama Iqbal Memorial Teaching Hospital, ongoing initiative to enhance patient care, improve hospital administration, strengthen healthcare infrastructure, and support the successful establishment of the new 300-bed teaching hospital in SIALKOT. Dr. Tariq highlighted the hospital's commitment to the delivering quality healthcare services through efficient governance, optimal resource utilization, and patient-centered care. The Honorable Labour Minister appreciated the dedication and professional services of the management and healthcare professionals of AIMTH in serving the people of SIALKOT. He reaffirmed the Government of Punjab's commitment to the supporting initiative aimed at improving healthcare delivery and assured his full cooperation in addressing issues related to the hospital's development and the provision of quality healthcare services. The meeting concluded with a shared commitment to continue working collaboratively for the betterment of healthcare services, the timely completion of ongoing development projects, and the welfare of the people of SIALKOT.